Welcome to part one of this masterclass series, buying your first cryptocurrency and setting up a diversified altcoin portfolio. In this part of the series, we're going to be covering four main sections. The first part being why you should buy cryptocurrency and why you should set up a diversified altcoin portfolio. The second part, we're going to be looking at setting up your first cryptocurrency exchange so that you can buy cryptocurrency, as well as setting up your first wallets so you can securely store your cryptocurrency. The third part of this series is going to be about how you can advance your cryptocurrency knowledge so you can make informed decisions when buying altcoins. And finally, we're going to be looking at the main platforms that you're going to use as a cryptocurrency investor or trader. This will include things like TradingView, where you can do your charting, CoinMarketCap, where you can do your research, and a whole range of other platforms that you can use to make sure you're taking advantage of the cryptocurrency market in its whole. As you're going through this masterclass series, I strongly encourage you to join our community Discord. The link is going to be in the description of this video, and it'll take you straight to our Discord channel. That's where you're going to be able to engage with all of our staff members, but as well as all of our existing clients right now and other public members of our community who are doing exactly what you're doing and trying to understand this industry better. Just as a reminder, there's also the 30-minute consultation, which you can book in at any point in time that you're feeling like you'd rather speak to an expert to get a bit more of a handheld approach to learning about this industry. The link for that will be at the bottom of this video in the description as well. So why should you set up a diversified altcoin portfolio? Well, as you're probably aware, the cryptocurrency market has heavily outperformed almost all financial markets in the past decade. It's not unusual to experience 10x or even 100x gains on cryptocurrencies, especially if you're in as an early adopter of new coins. However, it's also not uncommon for investors to put all their money into worthless coins and lose a substantial amount of money due to FOMOing in at the wrong point in time. That's why diversification and timing is so important. You should never allocate all of your portfolio to one or even two coins. And you should also make sure that you learn how to time the market so you're getting in at the right point in time. After completing this entire masterclass series and maybe even completing some of our further free education, if you're still struggling to time the market or understand which coins to buy, then do not worry. We offer services where you can actually see every single coin that we're buying, as well as gain access to our full analytics. The majority of our clients are following this service, even if they're experienced cryptocurrency traders, because at the end of the day, we have full-time staff working the cryptocurrency market to find those hidden gems for you. And if you're doing another full-time job or another hobby or a whole range of other things, you're never going to be able to put as much time as what our experts can. So make sure that after completing this course, you do all your further education and research, but also make sure that you have a look into some of our services, which are designed to help you master your portfolio. But before we go in and look at our analytics and tipping service, which is called the Trading Academy, what we're going to do is actually set you up with your exchange and wallet so that if you choose to, you can actively start engaging in those trades and start setting up your altcoin portfolio straight away. So let's jump over to the next section of this guide, which is where we're going to be setting up your first exchange and wallet.